Arizona Conference is led by Pastor Manny Cruz. Our next conference is the Central California Conference. Conference leadership is led by Central California
God is good, Hawaii. Smile.
Central California Conference.
God is good. Smile, Hawaii.
Salute.
Sharp. 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 Woo!
Right, Hawaii.
Arizona Conference, you can order arms. Our next conference is the Hawaii Conference led by Hawaii Pathfinders. Salute. Let's hear those drums. If you can keep playing, that would be fantastic. Our next conference is Nevada-Utah Conference. Their youth director is Pastor Rudy. Let's cheer for Pastor Rudy and his Pathfinders. Nevada-Utah, eyes right. Present arms. Northern California Conference, led by Pastor Eddie Heinrich. Eyes right, Northern California Conference, and salute. The largest conference in the Pacific Union is led by Southeastern California Conference with Pastor Meshach Soleil. Southeastern, eyes right, salute. Pastor Kevin leads the Southern California Conference. Thank you, Pastor Kevin. Pathfinders, order arms. Thank you so much for participating today in the Pathfinder Parade. We are so excited that you are here, and we're excited to see what God does. Remember, keep marching for Jesus.
I'm gonna let it shine, let it shine, let it shine, let it shine. This little light, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Let's hear you, let's hear you. This little light of mine. Let it shine, let it shine. Oh, that was beautiful. Remember the truth. If God can love all of us, then God can love all of us. Amen, amen. Hey, see you soon. Thanks for singing.